Hey guys, my name is Thana and welcome to my channel. And this time I thought I want to show you this. Just stare at this for a while. The biggest problem we have as someone who reviews cars and put it onto YouTube and try to show all its beauty and why you should buy this car or why you shouldn't buy a car. The biggest problem that I face is putting emotions into words. And this is one of those cars. I mean, today is the 31st of December. It's now just after lunch, 2:40, and I went out, had lunch, drove in this car a bit, and a lot of times I was compelled to be quiet and just take in all its glory. And I just don't know, guys. There's an emotion that comes with driving a Volvo. I thought there was no emotion. I thought Volvos were emotionless. I thought BMW has it. And the more I review cars, the more I get into them, the more I think that cars are coming to become a piece of a phone. They gotta be flashy, gotta be gaudy, gotta be all that. Then you get to a car like this, a Volvo. This isn't a car. This is a piece of art, a piece of furniture. The way they have tried to hide all the buttons in this cluster and put it all into this piece here. The way there's wood finishing, actual wood finishing all the way here. It's a thing of beauty. The way these blades come out, and the blades are these aircon vents. How beautiful. The way the gloss finish goes against the chrome finish. Beautiful. The way you got a crystal knob, by each time you touch the crystal knob, you're reminded, well, you're in a very special place. The way each time you start the car, you are greeted by this crystal diamond cut knob there, and you twist and you get this piece of dancing meter cluster over here. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful, guys. There is no way to describe it. The sound system, the fact it's got Bowers & Wilkins in this car, and if you were to peek at this point, you know how some cars try to shout at you and to say they've got X amount of system, X amount of power in the sound system, and it's by so and so. Well, there is a word here which says Bowers & Wilkins, and the engraving is there. But you could peek inside and you could see a yellow accent on the speaker, just ever so slightly. It's there. Beautiful. The way when you touch the handle to open the door, actual aluminium. Beautiful. Every single piece about this car is perfect. The leather you get there, when you rub through it, beautiful. The steering, how the steering is much more stronger, hardier than the sides. Beautiful. I don't know. I mean, I'm lost for words. If there was a new car that I would get and I would think it's a true luxury premium vehicle, I think this S90 would be it. You want to hear about facts and the power it has and all that, here it is on screen there, but I think all that doesn't matter. This is this whereby you see a Rolls Royce and they say don't ask about the horsepower because it just is. And it's sad to think that the BMWs and the Mercedes are losing out to this, because I think Volvo makes art better than any one of them. Look at those seats, fantastic. If you haven't sat in a BMW or a Mercedes, skip that, try Volvo instead. I'm sure you'll be thankful that you did. Bye guys, and Happy New Year.